In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Exness account leverage. This process is pretty straightforward, but you'll want to follow along closely to ensure you get it right on the first try. To start, you'll need to log into your personal area on the Exness website. This is your hub for managing your accounts and settings, so it's essential to be familiar with navigating this space. Once you're logged in, you'll look for the section labeled My Accounts. This area will display all of your trading accounts, and it's where you'll make any needed adjustments to settings. Next, find the specific trading account for which you wish to change the leverage. Accounts are usually listed neatly, so it shouldn't be too difficult to locate the one you're looking for. Once you have the correct account in front of you, look for the three-dot menu icon, often referred to as the More Options menu. Click on it, and a drop-down menu will appear. Here, you'll want to select the option labeled Change Max Leverage, or something similar depending on your account's setup. At this point, a new window or section should display various leverage options available to you, such as 150, 1-200, 1-500, and sometimes even 1 unlimited. Each of these ratios represents the maximum leverage you can apply to your account, and choosing the right one may depend on your trading strategy or risk preference. For those who are more advanced, there might also be the option to select Custom, which will let you enter a specific value if the preset options do not suit your needs. Once you've carefully selected your desired leverage ratio, it's important to confirm your choice and ensure you save the changes. This step is crucial and easy to overlook, but without it, your new settings may not take effect. After you've saved the changes, the new leverage will only apply to new trading positions you open moving forward. It is essential to note that any positions you already have open will continue to operate under the previous leverage terms, so plan your trades accordingly to avoid any surprises. By following these steps, you'll be able to adjust your account's leverage settings smoothly and effectively, giving you more control over your trading activities on Exness. I hope this guide made the process clear and approachable. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your trading.